place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow. Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrow, what for? You watched the world from the place beneath the willow.